Okay, good morning, everyone. Morning, Doris, Jane. Who do we have here? FK, Peng Yi, Yi Po King, Tan Yi Po is, how come it's in the public? It should be in the graduates group, okay? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's Monday morning entertainment. Type in MME. The public, can you hear me? Type yes if you can hear me. Today we are open to public. We have 118 of us in the public right now. Okay, good. Okay, how many of you have taken breakfast? Type me if you've taken breakfast. Okay, not me. I also haven't taken. Okay, so we lunch. Okay, so we go for lunch. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Later part we're going to talk about interest rates versus stock market. You know, there was one question by the SMT graduates that asked about if in a rising interest rate environment, what happened to the stock market? You know, I have done this before. Yes or no? Type yes if some of you have seen this. I've talked about this before. But for quite a few of you, if you all don't know what happened when the interest rate goes up, then we will look at based on theory. That means based on if you go to university, what they teach you, and practical. That means what really happened historically. Okay. So later part, maybe in between we will talk about that. Okay. So same thing. Whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose. These are not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Zach, how come it's outside? Zach, you should be inside, right? Okay. Type yes if you agree. This is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, public. I seldom talk about this. Please give me a like or a heart. Don't give me angry face. Okay. Or share if you all can. Okay. Okay. For those in the Facebook group. Okay, let's get started. We will talk about the markets first. S&P 500. I don't want to spend too much time because I've been doing this every week. Okay. But I want so that I can save some time for some sharing. Okay, some sharing on the markets. Okay, on the interest rates. Okay. So first thing first, S&P 500 weekly charts. Trend is what? Trend is, come on guys, you must be fast. Trend is up, right? Okay, up, right? Okay, long term, trend is up. The thing is still blue color. Okay, position weekly is blue, so going up. Okay, daily charts. What do you think? Daily charts. Okay, so we have the red candle. Okay, we have the red candle. Came back down. Okay, test. Came back. Red signal rate went lower, and then last 2 days went back higher. Okay, if you see the context. Okay, if you see the context on the weekly chart setup. Okay, you will understand what is the context in the weekly chart setup. What is this? In the weekly chart setup, what is this? Weekly chart setup, graduates, what are this? This is a weekly swing buy, yes or no? Okay, it's a weekly swing buy. Okay, you can actually swing here. Or if you do a daily swing will be what? When after this correction, then there was a test of this downtrend. Okay, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then break above already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Can you see the daily chart setup? Okay, the daily chart setup. That break below the 40 MA, so there was one short setup over here. What you count the candles, okay? After that, right now above the 40 MA, so no more short for daily. Type yes if you understand. No more short for daily. That means in the next 1 week, not advisable to short. Okay, for the next 1 month. Last week I mentioned the previous week I mentioned there was a what? There was a weekly buy setup. Type yes if I said this before. Yes or not? There's a weekly buy setup. Anybody long or not last week on Friday? Okay, some of y'all bought. Okay, so there was a weekly swing setup. How it works is basically look for the uptrend, okay, and then looking for the CCI drop. Okay, this one I think you all should know lah. You all don't know, then take my cane already. Where's my cane? My cane is over there. Okay, don't talk nonsense today. Okay, because today we want to do trading. Okay, so any question? No question type good. Then we go to Nasdaq. Okay, so I have to assume that most of y'all know. Okay. Weekly trend is up. Okay, you can see the candlesticks blue and it's still up. Weekly position is still up. Okay, we have a weekly swing, which is a 1 month trade. A 1 month trade, we have a down, CCI low, swing up. This is a triggered last week. Yes or no? Okay, the previous swing was over here. That was in May. There was enough swing over here in March. Okay, so that's right now in September. There's one swing. Okay. Type yes if you understand. Okay, for daily charts, if you go to daily charts, there was a short setup. Okay, there was a short setup over here. Okay, swing up. Okay, there was a short swing setup. Okay, then you count. Okay, after you trigger one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be out already. Okay, maximum 5 days. So 3, 4, you should be out already. Okay, so after that, price went up. Right now, close to 40 MA already. Okay, so that yes if you understand. Okay, this is for daily swing. Okay, I'm assuming you all understand. Don't understand that question. Okay, okay. I'm assuming I understand what I'm talking about because every week I do the same thing, right? Okay, so next one is Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng is a more tricky one. Okay, what do y'all think? Hang Seng long-term chart. Long-term chart. What do y'all think? Long-term chart. Down to what? Sideways. I also mentioned that it's at the lower part of the curve. Yes or no? Okay, I mentioned this before. I draw this line before. Yes or no? Okay, it's at the lower part of the recovery. We have this is Asian financial. So let's go back so long. Asian financial crisis, SARS, global financial crisis. This is a COVID crisis. Okay, we are somewhere near the value line. Okay, the value line is I would say I would say is somewhere. You all know how to draw this, right? Type yes if you all know how to draw this. Type no if you don't know how to draw this. If you don't know how to draw this line, this parallel line, you can use what we call linear regression line. Okay, go from the lowest, draw up to the current one. You can see. Type yes if you understand. It's automated. Okay, automated. So you roughly can see the linear regression line. Then from there you can see, oh, this is the join the lower part of the curve, join the higher part of the curve, and then you know we are at somewhere at the 25% of the lowest part. We are not like crisis mode. Okay, crisis mode is like global financial crisis or COVID crisis. Okay, but near lah. Huh? So if you go in and you can see, we can see that long term, of course, is uptrend. Why do you think long term is uptrend? Long term is because inflation. Okay, inflation is long term. Okay, generally long term, most market is uptrend. Okay. So if you are the value one, that means you are current trend is still down. Okay, current trend is still down. You see the weekly trend is still down. Okay, we have the dotted black line down. But if you want to buy like value, okay, current trend is down. Type down if you understand. The current trend is still down. But if you want to buy value and you want to just buy a bit and then see 6 months later how, then you can buy a bit now. Now, do you follow what I'm saying? Does it mean that the next 6 months it will not drop further? It may drop further. Okay, but you just buy maybe 30% or 25%. Do you follow what I'm saying? If it goes down to the lower part, then you buy a bit more. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you go back to the lower part of this channel, I buy a bit more. If you go up, at least I can have a bit to write already. I put 25% to write up. So I actually put up long term HSI this month. Do you follow? Please go and show hand, guys. Okay. Don't show hand, Zach. Okay. Show hand later. I show gain. Okay. Okay. So don't show hand, guys. Okay. It is not confirmed. Okay. Long term, it is still weekly charts is still not confirmed. But if you want to buy value, I think right now okay lah. Not expensive. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, not expensive. Okay, so we have 376 of them in the public, 400. I think split. Some graduate go to public also. Okay, so for those that not in SMT, okay, this is the advertisement time. Okay, for those that are not in SMT, we don't have any more SMT class this year. Okay, we're gonna do one more this weekend, but close already. Okay, so the next SMT is next year. Okay, it's next year January. Okay, my team after this pangkang already. The next 2 months, not pangkang. Okay, next 2 months we are going to focus. I mentioned this before, right? Next 2 months we're going to focus on our existing graduates. Okay, we are not going to like look for new graduates. Next 2 months we look focus on existing graduates. We may even do more classes for the existing students. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, DeFi or whatever. Okay, we'll keep the 2 months for the existing graduates. Okay, but for those people that are public that want to join us next year, okay, you can go to this link. Where is my link? This link, and then you can join me next year. Okay, type SMT. Graduates can you type SMT. If you recommend SMT to the public, type SMT. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Lauren, Judy, Agnes, Thomas. Last week also a lot of class. Okay, last week. Okay, join next year. Can see video now. Okay, Evelyn, Jeffrey. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. Okay, so let's get move on. Okay, Hang Seng finish. Okay, by the way, I just want to show you here, right? When I see this one, I just want to clarify more thing is long term, 1 or 2 years, buy more when drop. Do you follow what I'm saying? So I'm not aiming to catch the lowest. Okay, I'm not aiming to catch the lowest. Right now, there already. It can go lower, but I can buy a bit now. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's long term. Okay, so next we go to STI. STI. SMT what? Okay. Last week I a bit tired. Okay, because a lot of people asked me questions. Okay, anyway, not about me. Okay, so weekly charts sideways. Okay, weekly charts long term is sideways. Of course, you can do the same thing. Okay, just use your linear regression line. Start from the lowest point. You can start from here. You can start from here. It's okay. Start from the lowest point. You can start from here. Then you draw aga, you get that line. You draw from here. Aga, you get that line. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Oh, so this one must draw lower like that. Okay, then you get a trend line. Okay, so I will say right now, midpoint. Okay, SCI is lower than 50%. Okay, not at the extreme, expect in terms of price, lower than 50%. Okay, so STI actually got in last year April. Yes or no? Anybody still holding STI? Type in STI since last year April. Last year April, you still holding STI. So STI April was around April here. Okay, last year April, around here we got in, right? Long term one. So right, okay, if you can write right. Okay, so I will sell maybe around yeah. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, I don't know how high it go because this line keep going upwards. This uptrend line, right? So it keep going up. I will sell maybe around here. It may overshoot, like here it overshoot. Can you see here it overshoot? So I will sell maybe here, okay, around here. Aga 80% I will sell. By then we will have full recovery. Okay, economy will be smooth sailing. Everybody will have job. Not like news now. Now still opening up. Yes or no? Okay. Oh, by the way, we talked about this revenge traveling. It's starting. Yes or no? About a few months ago, we talked about this revenge traveling. It's starting. You see, travel until like the SIA website also crashed. Okay, so there is this. Okay, just to share your history, right? 1929. 1929 is what? 1929 is what? You know, history time. 1929 is not World War. Great Depression. Great Depression. But before that, there was also a crisis, a pandemic. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, there was also a pandemic. I think it was 1918 or 1919. Okay, then the Spanish flu. What year was that? 1918, right? 1918, 1919. After the 1918, 1919, after they recover, what happened to the economy? In the 1920s, happening, okay, guys, boom, okay, last for how long? 9 years before the depression came. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so I'm not saying it will be like that, but looks like it's going to be like that. Okay, so it's like people too long never spend money already, or too long suffer too long already. They say life is short. Just enjoy life. Do you follow what I'm saying? That they will spend. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. All the roaring 20s. So if you study history, you understand. Actually, it's human, yes or no? It's human, right? It's human. Like we are trapped for so long. We never travel. We want to travel, yes or no? Or I can't travel right now because my dad is not feeling well. But generally, you want to travel, you want to spend money, yes or no? Okay, so that's the general idea. Okay, next. Highway jam also, okay, yeah, so SIA website crash. I think US also will be like that. Okay, next, what index you want to see? What index you want to see? Nifty. Okay, I need always Nifty. I need around. You see, I know your name already. Anit is from India, right? That means you are based in India, right, or Singapore? You are joining us from India, is it? Cool, right? We have people every week join us from India. Okay, I think it's quite cool, right? Okay, so Annie still holding or not? Is it unkit now? I still say it wrongly. Unkit, right? Still holding or not? All the way, fantastic. Okay, so unkit. Okay, so next, Amy is from where? Amy. So let's hold. I would suggest Unkit, you can use the dotted red line to guide you. This dotted red line, can you see? All the way from here, this dotted red line guides the price up. You just use the dotted red line to guide you. As the price go higher, you just use the dotted line. Nowhere from since June, right? Last year, did the price drop below dotted red line. So as it go higher, you just use that to guide you. You follow what I'm saying? Simple, right? Okay, so if it goes below, then you sell. If it doesn't go below, you hang on. Okay, simple. Next, for Amy is from where? Amy, today we check people identity from where are you from? Are you from Malaysia? Scale, okay, see, we got Malaysia, we got K now. Wow, fun. Okay, so Malaysia, after what was the event? After this particular event, right? The price, the FPM, right? The price start to go up, yes or no? The government change. So actually it's a good thing. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't care the news. Okay, don't care the news, but it's a good thing. Can you all see that? Yes, you can see that. Downtrend line broken. Okay, downtrend line broken. Test downtrend line, go above the downtrend line, now testing resistance. So it is positive in general for the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? Boleh, it's not strong uptrend. It's not relative to other market. It's not strong uptrend, but it is not like here. It's not like this part. It's not like in July last year. Okay, right now, it's sideways. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. You can use both. Okay, so you can use trend line and support resistance line. Okay, so support resistance line will see where the trend is going, trend line will see where the trend is going. Support resistance line will see where the resistance is. So I use the trend line like this, then I can use a resistance. So like example, right now a price test here, price test here, so price test here. Right now at this moment there is some test. Okay, so if it clear, then it can go higher. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Another day I will talk about support resistance. I think I did the TA course, right? Yes or no? Okay, I did the TA class before. And we attended the TA class, the 2 session. We talk about this support resistance and stuff like that, right? Okay, never mind, we will do it again. Okay, this week. Not this week, sorry, this year. Okay, last one. Wow, how come so long? Nikkei 225. Nikkei 225, guess what's the trend? Nikkei 225 quite interesting. Okay, weekly trend, hit the resistance, come back down, come back here again. Let's see. Okay, so right now I would say it's like sideways. Okay, but just now Ping right, say twin tower. Yeah, actually it's a rejection. Yes or no? Okay, it's a rejection. You see this candle, it's a rejection. You go to daily charts. There is a down move, and then there is a rejection. I don't want to go down anymore. There's an impulsive down move, and then there is this I don't want to go down anymore. So I will stay at this moment for long term. It is still not uptrend. Okay, still not uptrend. It's still like stuck in this box. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's stuck in this box. Like yes, if you understand. Okay, if you're doing long term, then not so interesting. If you're doing short term, what you can do is buy support, sell resistance. Okay, that means when it goes to support here, you can buy. Goes to resistance here, you can sell. Okay, that will be the trend. Okay, until it breaks up. Okay, so this is the current moment. How it's the thing. Okay. Next, okay, let's do some sharing right now. Okay. Any other index? Type the index if you have the index. If not, then I do some sharing right now. No, okay. So I never put the thing, okay, but normally when the market move, right, when you study, you will study like you say interest rate, right? Interest rates, okay. Like when you study economics or economy, okay, it is like when in a rising interest rate, in the rising when central bank increase interest rate, is positive or negative for stocks based on theory. Type yes, type positive or negative. Why is it negative? Why do you think it's negative? Okay, why? Because money is like it's like your tap. Do you follow? It's like a tap. Okay, it's like a tap. So the money flow when you open the tap fully, right? A lot of money flow through the hose. Yes or no? So when they increase interest rate, what they're doing, they are closing the tap. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, they are closing the tap. But that is the theory lah. Okay, they are closing the tap. It is bad for stocks. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, that is the theory. They're closing the tap, so less money flow is bad for stocks. That's the theory. Okay. In practical, it is not like that. Okay. In practical, it is not like that. Okay. So let me just use the Fed fund rate. Okay. So I use S&P index, compare with the Fed fund rate. Compare with the Fed fund rate. Okay, Fed fund rate. Okay, you all know what's the Fed fund rate, right? Type yes if you know. Type no if you don't know. If you don't know, go and Google. Okay, go and Google. Simple lah. This sounds okay. Go and Google. Okay, ask Google lah. This one no simple one. Don't ask me lah. Okay. Oh, very easy. Okay. So let's think. This is the Fed fund rate. This is the Fed fund rate. Okay. It's not drawn to scale. Okay. But this you can see the increase or decrease. Okay. Type yes if you understand. This is the Fed fund rate. Type yes if you understand. Okay. This is not the actual percentage. Not 2000%. It's not drawn to scale. Okay. But this is the increase in the Fed fund rate. This is decrease in the Fed fund rate. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Do you understand? Understand? Simple, right? Okay, so like that. Okay, so then in let's look at history. Let's look at history. Let's say we go back, go back to 2005, 2004. Okay, 2004. Okay, this is a Fed fund rate. Okay, this is a Fed fund rate in 2004. After the SARS, after the recovery, the Fed start to increase interest rate. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Start to increase. Okay, they go every quarter increase. Okay, what happened to the stock market? Went up. Okay, until a certain point, they stopped increasing interest rate. This one also stopped. When they drop interest rate, I think too high, I screwed the tap too tight already. I need to release the tap a bit. Then what happened to the, by theory, if you ask your lecturer, right, when you reduce interest rate, when you reduce interest rate, what happened to the stock market? It's good for stock market. But what happened when they cut interest rate? What happened to the stock market? The stock market also go down. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Oh, and they drop until zero already. Zero already. But when they drop until zero, they don't immediately tighten again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because when they open the tap, no water flow out. Do you follow what I'm saying? When they open the tap, because the flow is the money, right? No water flow out. Then what they will do? They remain fully open and what? Wait for the money. Do you follow? I just analogy, guys. Analogy, right? Wait for the market. Wait for the money to wait for the water to flow out. So they wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. They wait very long. Okay. Then finally, the economy start to catch on and start to what? Increase interest rate. They wait very long this time around. Okay, they wait like 5 years. Then they start to increase. Do you follow what I'm saying? They start to okay, now I fully open. Now I start to tighten. Okay, but when they tighten, what happened to the stock market? Also go up. Do you follow what I'm saying or not? Okay, the more they tighten, okay, see, go up, and then what happened? They stop increasing. Hey, I think tighten too much here. Okay, then they start to reduce. Okay, they start to reduce. Stock market still go up a bit, but after that, what happened? Boom, went down. Can you see here? Type yes, you can see. They type. They got a new tool. Immediately loosen everything. Okay, then this is the COVID. Then the stock market is okay, came down, and then right now what's happening? Right now what's happening? The tap is what? What position? Open or close? Open, waiting for water. Come on. Do you follow what I'm saying? Are they thinking of tightening? Yes, they're thinking. Some banks will tighten. Yes or no? So they slowly want to what? Close. But do you think they will like close everything immediately? Not likely. Why? They must watch the economy. Do you follow what I'm saying? Not. They don't tighten too tight, the economy die again. Then they wrong. Okay. So they must plan their move. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, they cannot like immediately increase too fast. So they must still plan their move. When they tighten initially, they not zai, right? So they slowly. Or then after that, slowly. Then the things start to overheat, then they increase further. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's like a tap. So the flow of the money, right? The flow of the water, right, is like to the stock market. Do you follow what I'm saying? The stock market is like that. It will flow to the stock market, the financial market first, before it flows to the economy. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So when central bank they reduce interest rate or increase interest rate, they do not immediately flow to the economy. Even though they want to flow to the economy, they will always now low interest rate. Okay, I go and buy stock first. Low interest rate, I go and buy investment first. Do you follow what I'm saying? They won't say, oh, stock market, let me start my own business. Do you follow what I'm saying? Not so like that. Do you follow what I'm saying? And of course, employment also will take time to catch up. Okay. Okay, so saying that sometimes very cute one. Okay, very cute. When they increase a bit, they will what? When they like 2 days, 3 days, when they increase, what will happen? Or 1 week, they increase, what will happen? The 1 week, they will go down. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So in the long horizon of thing, and the increase, they go up, yes or no? But short term, Seow, they're going to tighten already. Later they tighten too fast. How? So the short term, it will go down. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so example, like here, they increase, market tank a bit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Increase, it tank a bit. But if you look at the long term, it is not like that. Okay, it is long term, it is still okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? So let's say example, like I said here, they want to increase, the market will tank a bit. Few days, do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay. So if you understand this, like the tab, then you know lah. Okay, what's next? What's next? What is the next thing the central bank will do? Now already fully open, right? What's the next thing they will do? They will slowly tighten, yes or no? Cannot like fully open too long. Okay, the last time they opened, I feel the last time they opened very long. They did this like 5 years. Okay, they increase a bit, but they drop a bit, increase a bit, drop a bit. So it's not fully tightened. But when they really increase, that is when the economy start to get traction. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so right now must wait for the economy to get traction. When it's like starter motor like that. They open the tap, the thing move and then stop, move and then stop. When the thing start to engage and move already, then they will slowly tighten. Okay, but don't listen to your later got lecturer here. See the history lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't just study the theory. Okay, that yes, if you understand, see the history, don't study the theory. Okay, same thing. Okay, I'm using S&P. If I use that's how I say, what about tech stock? Same thing. Nasdaq, right? Same thing. Okay, so the picture, right, is like that. Sometimes the news people, the news reporter, they also don't know one. Every time they just see then report. Okay, but what you do is see data lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, see the data. Okay, not see the theory lah. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Okay, so it's like that. Okay, so just to cautious, it is not always the increase. The stock market will go up on that day. That yes, if you understand, it's not increase to go out that day. In fact, when they increase, it will have some reaction, go down first. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, then you need to ask yourself, is my tab fully open, fully closed, or slowly closing, or slowly opening? Do you follow what I'm saying? So then when you zoom up, then you say, oh, actually it is silent. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Am I making sense so far? Okay. What about crypto? Crypto, the market is actually very small still. So I wouldn't say it's interest in with the interest rate. Okay. But crypto is another topic. We will save it for another day. Can? That yes, if you want to do another day. I'm not expert in crypto, by the way. Okay. Okay, I'm not expert in crypto. Bye. Edmund, okay, you gotta leave. See you, bye. Okay, I'll do another day. Okay, I will talk about crypto. I'm not the crypto expert. Okay, maybe we get Chris in, okay, to do crypto. But I look from the chart. Do you follow what I'm saying? I look from the chart, and from the chart, and also from understanding of technology. I've done this before also. Yes or no? That who was here when we talk about the .com era, when who was here? We talk about .com and then dot of technology, internet. We talk about this, right? Okay, and how crypto come into play. Who was here? Only you, Roslyn. But we can talk about it another time. Okay. But that is what's happening like with the with the crypto right now. Okay, last time, right? I think we save it for another day. Okay, if not too long. Okay, not too long. Just want to share with you all that long time ago, when they measure, right? They measure what? They measure clicks, or like your website, how many people go into your website? Yes or no? Click, don't even buy things. Okay. Then later part, they measure what? Revenue, like transaction. Then after that, they measure what? Profit. If the website, is it profitable? Yes or no? Okay. So the blockchain is going to be the next wave to, you see, the Amazon disrupted what? Amazon disrupted the retail, yes or no? The retail, or the way we shop, yes or no? The way we shop, buy things, Taobao, all this is to disrupt the retail. Okay, the blockchain is a technology that can disrupt a lot of middlemen. Okay, not so much of retail. Retail is more like Amazon, but it disrupts like the banking, like remittance, finance. Do you follow what I'm saying? Finance is a big thing. Remittance is a big thing. You know, the Western Union, all these middlemen, they make a lot of money from all this inefficiency. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, why? Because there is no what? Trust. Okay, you need to trust someone, right? I put money with you, I might make sure on the other side, the money will transfer. Do you follow what I'm saying? That remittance, right? Because there's lack of trust. But crypto actually solve all this with very low cost. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so that is one of the applications. There are many other applications. But let me talk about other things right now. Let's talk about our stocks right now. Type yes if you can do. Okay. We will save one session for crypto or DeFi or another this next month. Okay, we'll do one. Okay. Okay, today let's talk about our stock. First one is okay, National Vision Holding. Okay, this is quite nice. Okay, so if you don't see the chart, actually it's trained to see the I also. Can you all see the resistance? Type yes, you can see the resistance is around here. Yes or no? Okay, the resistance around here. And can you see the uptrend line? Type yes, you can see the uptrend line. Just draw like that. I'll just draw this, draw the uptrend line. Yes or no? Okay. Then what happened last few days? This is resistance, this is resistance. This is also a pause. Get it? Type yes if you understand. It's a pause. It test and then fail. It means fail lah. Test fail. And then a break of the resistance. So what is this pattern? This is a rising, ascending what? Triangle. Yes or no? It's an ascending triangle. So this is based on the chart. Okay. If you go in usually GPS, you can see this is the uptrend, this is the resistance, this is a big uptrend. Important thing, must wait for what? Must wait for what? Trigger. Yes or no? Must wait for trigger. Green arrow active is one thing, but must wait for trigger. That means it may not be today the price will go up. Okay, it may go down like that. Okay, then you need to mark the high to get in. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Volume is a bit lower. Yeah, volume is a bit low. Okay, but okay lah. Okay, so ballpark, right? Ballpark amount will be the dollar value that you buy in. Okay, multiply to be safe. Multiply by about 20 minimum. Let's say example, you going to buy $10,000 of these stocks, or $10,000 of these stocks. Your average transaction every day must have $200,000. So you follow on. Yes, yes, if you understand. Okay, 20 is like 20 times round. Okay, you can go up to 50. That means if you want to buy $10,000 worth of this stock, it must have $500,000 worth. Do you follow what I'm saying? Dollars worth. So 20 to about 50. Okay, you gotta be very safe, you put 50. Okay, I think should still clear the dollar value unless you buy very big. Oh, Okay, got it. Type yes. Let's talk about the interest rate. Okay, type yes if you understand. Got it already? No need to conclude, huh? I jump in there. No need to conclude, okay, so understand already, right? Okay, so come back again. Dollar value multiplied by value for not volume. For this is the minimum amount of dollar value transacted every day. Oh, so let's say example, I use the most recent one, 800,000. 800,000 multiplied by $60. Oh, so that will be the dollar value transacted every day. Okay, so this amount is 800,000 is a volume, crowd. The volume here. Okay, let's say example here, 1.2 million. Okay, then multiply by the dollar value. Okay, that will give you the dollar transacted every day lah. Oh, so let's say example I use 800,000, then multiply by $60. Okay, so every day is 48 million lah. Oh, average okay. So, but if you big boy you one shot 1 million then maybe not so much okay. One shot 2 million, then maybe not so much. So 20 to 50 times of the transaction volume. This average, okay. Let's say example we talk about low one, let's say 300,000. 300,000 will be 300,000 multiplied by $60. $60. So still about 80 million. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay, follow the system, guys. Okay, don't. By the way, all these are not recommendation to buy and sell. Okay, let me do slowly. Okay, so value transacted, right? Okay, Andy, value transacted every day is the volume multiplied by the price of the day. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's the volume transacted. Okay, so your size, how much you buy every day, should be about 20 to about 50 times of the transacted volume every day. That's the answer. Okay, so you can check the volume, how much is the current volume multiplied by the current price. That will give you the transacted volume every day. Okay, so your size that you buy should be about 20 to 50 times of that size. Okay, let me move on. Okay, so next, Zion. Who is holding Zion? Z-I-O-N. That in Z-I-O-N. Zion actually still okay, yes or no? Okay, still okay. Now it's up about 3% since we buy. Oh no, so now it's up about 27 September. Here, 1% only. Okay, 1% till we buy. Okay, but okay lah, because the market went down, yes or no? You see some of the stock went down. Okay, so now it's consolidating weight. Okay. Next is Upstart. Who holding Upstart? UPST. Type in UPST. Not type ME. ME is another stock. ME is another stock lah. 23 ME. Okay. Type in Upstart UPST. Okay. UPST. If you're holding UPST. Whada! Okay. Cannot shout so loud. Okay. Shout so loud later won't go up. Okay. So whada. Slowly, okay, up 70%. Continue to hold. Do you follow what I'm saying? Yes, if you understand. The key, guys, is in holding. The key is not in trading. You follow what I'm saying? Well, Edmund very bad. Edmund says shout louder for me to come down to buy. Those holding one, those holding one. Agree with Edmund later. Edmund, later I shot loud, the room really drop and then already. Okay, so anyway, is to write. Okay, right now 71% you can write. Okay, those in profit one. Okay, right now from your entry price on 30th August, 71% already. You can use some trailing stock. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, you don't need to wait for red candle. You can wait for trailing stop. You can use some kind of method to exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's like the DKS also. Remember? Type yes, remember DKS, the big stop. Okay, you can use some kind of trailing stop to exit. Type yes if you understand, type no if you don't understand. Okay, you can use a dotted red line to exit. Okay, you can use a dotted red line to exit. Okay, so dotted red line DKS will be like red candle, like here lah, yes or no? Type yes if you understand. So either you wait for dotted red line to exit, which is this 71% you take, or if not, you wait for candlestick turn rate 63%. Up to you. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. DKS should exit already, guys. Okay. Anybody still holding? Exit lah. Okay, just exit and take profit already, then see how. Or exited. Okay. Next, so UPST, no question. Okay, hang on. Okay. Last one. Do you recommend we enter? Okay, so is it the context? Sometimes it's, I don't know the risk profile. I don't know how much capital you have. I don't know. Is it very hard to answer your question? No, I don't want to answer, James. Okay, because I don't know risk profile. I don't know how much stock you have. You follow what I'm saying? It's need to be holistic, yeah? Well, if not, then cannot answer the question. Okay, PPC. How many still holding PPC? Type in PPC. Okay, PPC 6%. Okay, still hang on. Okay. Type yes if you understand. Okay. Next is this week swing. Okay, this week swing we have short as I know this one don't have higher high. Okay, don't have higher high. Weekly swing. Can you see, guys? But yes, you can see. Don't have higher high, yes or no? Because there is a high here, there is another high here, and then the price come back down to the MA, yes or no? But the CCI low, there is a setup. Do you all agree? That yes, if you agree. There is a setup right now this week. Shopify. There is a setup right now, 2040 sloping up, CCI low, yes or no? There is a setup, but don't have higher high. Do you all agree? Because it went up, came back down. The CCI went high, came back down. So the CCI went low here, went low here. So we see high, low, high, low, high, lower high. However, when I look at this stock, they got this pattern one. This pattern is always don't have like that one. Okay, it will speak high. And draw here again. High, low. Then high, can you see here, CCI high, then low again, and then move up. Can you see that? Type yes, you can see that. Oh, so this stock got this like quan, so no choice. Okay, sometimes stock also got pattern one. Okay, so anyway you buy, there is still a risk. Okay, so but I think that this stock may have a further upside. This is a how long trade? How long is this trade? How long is this trade? 5 weeks or longer. Okay, 5 weeks or longer. This stock on the weekly chart not noisy. Okay, because you cannot go to the daily chart and see the noise. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, cannot go to daily chart and see the noise. You look at the weekly charts to see the noise. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so you cannot go to daily chart. You just use the weekly chart setup to trade. Got it? Stop loss is, what is the stop loss? What's the stop loss? Guys, the stop loss is, wow, you're very pro already. Okay, we must do carrot and cane, right or not? We cannot always use cane. If not, the student, the children will all very angry with you. Okay, you must use carrot also. So what is our carrot? What's our reward for good student? Okay, trader GPS one-time stop loss. Yes or no? Can you see? Trader GPS one-time stop loss. Go to here. One-time stop loss. Wow, free Tesla. 哇，这样我不是 Oh, free Tesla ride. Can, right, Gabriel? Not free Tesla, free Tesla ride. Okay? Tesla stock, walao. You think I what? Okay, free Tesla ride plus breakfast. Okay lah, that's the reward. Okay. When I have time, okay. When I have time, let's do. Okay. Okay, so guys, the stop loss will be here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, stop loss will be here. Slightly lower, not like that. Okay, slightly lower. Okay, so that will be stop loss. Okay, so actually, I tell you, I love seeing other people happy. Like, oh, you joy, right? I love it. Okay, but sometimes it's time. Yes or no? Okay, because you must be good steward of your time also. Yes or no? Okay, you must be good steward of your time. Okay, but I think next not next month, November, December, I think I'll be more free. So let's do joyride. 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 No lah, one by one. I cannot do all, guys. Okay, one. That's why also time also. Do you follow what I'm saying? I do one person and one day, we got so much time. Okay, so cannot do how to say, cannot do one bus, okay, so cannot okay, so but let me think of something. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, let's do top nonsense. Okay, next one, MDT. We will do in December. Okay, December. Okay, no group right. How to group right? Cannot lah. Okay, the next stop loss is last week candle. Yes, correct. Okay, last week candle. Okay, last week candle low. Okay, that will be the stop loss. So this stop loss will be here. Haven't triggered. MDT. Can you see the setup? Yes, you can see the setup. MDT. Oh, price come down, like that. Okay. But yes, if you understand, okay, okay, this is okay. Okay, this is a bit tapering, but it's okay. Not always it is like will be very sloping out. I think it's okay. Okay. Okay, so more than 5 candle is okay also, because this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I consider this is up candle. Okay. And then they also have this quan also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, so sometimes it will not be 5 candle then go up. Like here, this is nice. Okay, this textbook 1, 2, 3 up already. Oh, but sometimes you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I consider this candle as up candle. Do you follow what I'm saying? The only thing haven't triggered. So wait for it to trigger this week. Okay, so mark the high to trigger, put a stop loss at this one. Okay, not last week. Oh, this one wrong. Should be put here. Should be here also. Dow Jones. Yeah, put a date here also. Okay, Dow Jones. Dow Jones next. Okay. Can you all see the setup? Yes, you can see the setup. Why I like Dow Jones? Where do you think I like Dow Jones? Setup. Why? Based on the last few candles. Oh, very good, Patrick. Oh, sharp. Can you see? The price don't want to go down. Want to go what? Want to go up. How I know? Because you can see the tail. It go down, then close high. Go down, close here. Go down, close here. Go down, close here. So the price want to go what? It tests down, but it wants to go up lah. Yes or no? But yes, if you understand, it goes down, but it want to close up. Goes down, but it want to close up. That means during the day, during the week, the price went down here, but at the end of the day, it closed up. At the end of the day, it closed up. Got it? Trigger already, done trigger already. Okay. Last week I already post, right, guys? Did I post? No, too bad. Okay, but I triggered, but okay lah. Still got things to do. Okay, I got post. Is it? I also don't know. Did I post Dow Jones last week? That yes or no? Also forgot. Okay, anyway. Okay, never mind. Triggered, okay? S&P, same lah, same. Okay. Okay. Finish. EL, not the strongest swing. Not the strongest swing. Okay, guys. Got swing set up. Okay, but not the strongest one. Okay. Can you see the setup? Triggered already? Yes, if you, I think somebody went in, right? Oh, trigger already, then you put a stop. We lost. Stop loss, I think stop loss one. Zach, thank you so much. I also feeling hungry. I haven't had lunch yet. I haven't breakfast yet. Okay, so stop loss is here. Okay. So HSI long term. Hedge, I reduce, okay, to 40%. Okay. Reduce to 40%. Okay, instead of 50%. Okay, we have been this 50% for a few weeks already. Yes or no? Not last week, but a few weeks already. Okay, I think we reduced to 40%. That's it. Okay, do one more advertisement time. We still got 456 people outside. Okay, please like and share the post. Okay, please like and share the post. Oh, haven't still got stocks. Ayo. Okay, thanks, Ting Ting. Okay, so still got 3 stocks. Please, for those that want to join SMT, go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Is this finish? Still got, okay, SWB, and then join us next year. Okay, so the 3 stock are ZS position daily, BAC position daily, Apple swing weekly. Okay, soon. Okay, so ZS position daily. How many got ZS? Type ZS if you all have ZS. Wow, so many. Okay, so remove all these things. First arrow active. Okay, you're in already, right? Okay. Resistance here. Okay, so triggered already. Is it triggered? Triggered. Okay, so in. Okay. This is a durian tree. This is not a taugeh. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand durian tree and taugeh. This is a 3-month trade, 9 months trade. It's not a 2 weeks trade or 1 week trade. Type yes if you understand. So don't go and kanchong. The taugeh never come out the roots. Okay. Okay. S&P you can do ETF. You can do SDIA ETF. That's ETF Spider Dow Jones in average. You can use SPX CFDs, or you can use this DIA or SPY. All these are ETF. Okay, or you can do the index, the CFD, index CFD. Okay, as done. Okay, so hang on, nothing much you need to do. Actually, sometimes it's good to also do this. Okay, I'll share with you all one more thing. You want to go lunch or want to do one more thing? Okay, this go to daily, right? Daily, right? Like that here, right? See, even though I'm hungry, right? I see. My graduate more important. Okay, it is. You can go to daily charts. Okay, now it's daily charts like that. Okay, you go to weekly charts, you can see. So my question for you is like that. Okay, my question for you is like that. I don't know whether you can see it. Okay, never mind. My question for you is like that. Guess, next 3 to 5 candle, up or down? You all can guess, right? Up. On the what chart? On the weekly chart? Yes or no? Okay, let's say example, this is a swing, CCI low. This is week number 1. Yes or no? So I got how many weeks? 5 weeks, yes or no? And this is a very strong candle. Do you all agree? It's a very strong candle. Okay, so it aligns. It's good. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. That means weekly chart, 3 to 5 weeks, it should be up. We have a previous also signal up. It should be up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh. Okay, next one is BAC. BAC is okay. Yeah, don't do this one first. Do this first. Daily chart, position like that. Okay. Okay. So who is in BAC? Type BAC. You are in. Type in the date that you are in also. Type in the date and the date and type in the date if you are in. Last week. Okay. So last week will be here or here or here. Okay. Last week cannot be here, ma. Last week should be triggered on this candle. Okay. 15 October should be this candle. Okay. 5th October should be this candle. Oh, okay. So it's depend. Okay. So this is a resistance break already. Yes or no? First arrow with teeth. Second arrow with teeth. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. So do the same thing. I go to weekly charts. Next candle, up or down? Next one candle, up. Next 5 candle, up or down? Maybe down. Do you follow what I'm saying? Why? Because let's say I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 candle. But if we continue next 5 candle, is it possible it has some what? Pullback. That yes, if you understand. Okay, so you also try lah. If let's say there's a pullback and you know it's in this format, it's okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, and then eventually it may go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you give you some context. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Wow, my stomach making noise already. Okay, last one. Okay, Apple swing weekly. Apple swing weekly. Nice. Oh, nice or not? How many in already? Apple. How many in Apple already? Wow, so many in already, right? You eat Apple, yeah. Okay, swing to here. Okay. Okay, guys. If not, then thank you very much. We will do our joyride in December. Not everybody, not bus also. Maybe we'll do 2 or 3 people. Okay, then we'll go joyride. Okay. If not, then thank you very much. SMT graduate, come and join us. Okay. And what else? I will do more classes. I will do more classes, DeFi classes or crypto classes. This week got class, our very last SMT class. After I finish SMT class, maybe November, December, I'll do more like training. Okay, live training, not recorded training. Okay. If not, then thank you very much. Join our secret society, SMT 2022. Okay. If not, then thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. The 400 and now all leaving already. 395 of y'all and the 414 of y'all in Facebook Live. Thank you and see you and have a good week. Hey, bye.